Hi students, yes, the second chapter was completed in the previous class. In this class I am going to discuss what are the grammar parts given after the lesson. In this class I am going to discuss. Okay, let's see, some grammar activities are given. Let's see how to solve, how to write. That thing I am going to tell you. Look at the page number 14. Page number 14. Just you have to look. So, word power. First grammar part is what? Word power. In the word power, what is given? Just go and read the sentence. Find from the box 3 other words that have almost same meaning. Yes, one word is given, says. In the box so many words are there. 3 words very related. It's very near to the word. So that word you have to know the meaning, that to understand what is the meaning of that one. You have to write that. Seize, just a similar word you have to search from the box. Seize means capture, capture, that like clutch. Okay, that like so many words are there. Let's see, from the first one, seize. What word you can write? Seize. Okay, search, lament, inquire, grumble, examine, horrible, reaction, answer, moan, reply, gasp, clutch, fearful, capture, dreadful. So many words are there. So you have to select similar meaning, similar word. Let's see what are those. Seize, grasp. Okay, seize, grasp. Next, clutch. Clutch. Next, capture. All these words are similar words. You yellow similar words. Seize andru aste, grasp andru aste, clutch andru aste, capture andru aste. Okay, seize andru bandistu. Ella one meaning ivalla. Okay, grasp, clutch, capture, all these are similar words. Let's see second word, harmful. Harmful. So harmful, let's see what are the words. Harmful means just pain. Okay, pain, that is called harmful, painful or harmful. See here, word is there, fearful, fearful, okay, horrible, horrible, dreadful, dreadful. All these are words. Let's see next one, groan. Groan. So what words you can write? Groan means moan. This is also suffered, moan. Okay, moan, grumble, lament. Grumble, lament. Is it? Let's see fourth one, response. Similar word, let's see what are those in the box. Response means reply, that is also same. Reply, okay. Answer, answer, okay. Reply, answer, reaction. Reaction, is it right? All are same meaning. Almost all are giving same meaning. Let's see fifth one. What is that? Investigate. First word is the investigate. Okay, examine, Okay, examine, search, inquiry, 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 all are same. Okay, seize, grasp, clutch, capture. Harmful, it means fearful, horrible, dreadful. Groan, moan, grumble, lament. Response, reply, answer, reaction. Investigate, examine, search, inquiry. So if you don't know the meaning, go through the dictionary. Okay, let's see another grammar topic. Second one. So otherwise, use the following phrases in the simple sentence of your own. It means phrases are there. Those phrases you have to write in your own sentence. You have to write in own sentence. First one is there, that is at all. At all. Let's see how to use at all in your own sentence. For example, I am not at all. I am not at all. I am not at all, okay, satisfied with your work. Just like satisfied with your work. This line you may write. Okay, I am not satisfied, I am not at all satisfied with your work. So another one is there, that is fell to. Fell to. So fell to here we feel fell to eating, fell to eating. Okay, as soon as the dinner was served, it means immediately as soon as the dinner served. Then is dinner served. It means quick, very fast. That is called fell to. Let's see next one. At his heels. At his heels. At one's heels. Write down this statement. The train ran off. The train ran off with her policeman at his heels. Policeman at his heels. Fourth one. Next one is what? Gas sprout. She came running. Just going to underline. Okay. Fell to. Okay. Here water. He. Okay. Then she came running and gasped. Gasped out a few words. Isn't it? Let's see fifth one. For the present. I need only 50 rupees. I need only 50 rupees. 50 rupees for the present. For the present. For the present. One more is there with great spirit. Although we lost our team played with great spirit. Played with great spirit. So this like we have to use the phrases in our own sentence. Okay. If you know more than you have to write. Okay. Let's see. Next is the third one is there. Let's see what is that. Use the pair of words in our own sentence and difference in their meaning. Yes, spelling, the pronunciation is same but a different meaning. Here spelling is different, meaning is different, but pronunciation is only same. Let's see how. Die and die. One example. Die and die. Okay. Die means going just death. That is called die. Die means colored. Colored. Die colored. Is it right? So die pronunciation is same. Spelling is different. Meaning is also different. So just I am going to tell you, die means sayavu. Okay. Then this means die means color. Yeah, wrong one. Color thing. That is not die. Here die I can now that like. So for example, let's see how the old man died. The old man died at night. Okay. The old man died at night. So she died. She dyed her hair. She dyed her hair. Okay, brown. Dyed. Okay, dye and dye. Let's see second one. Soar and show. Soar and soar. Yes. Soar means it's a pen. Soar means just take what you call in Kannada. Huli anta ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That is called soar. Grapes are sour. Okay, it means pain. Okay, let's see how to write. I have a sore throat. Okay. Grapes are sour. Grapes are sour. Let's see next. Pain and pain. Pain and pain. Pain means ನೋವು ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಾಜಿನ ಫಲಕ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪೇನ್. I feel pain. I feel pain. Is it right? Let's see. Pain. A pane of my windows is broken. A pane of what is that? A pane of my windows Windows. What's happened? Windows is broken. Windows is broken. A pane of my Windows is broken. Yes, that like so many words are there. Let's see. Let's see next. Lose and lose. Lose and lose. It means free size. LOOSE. Lose means free. Okay. Here lose means something lost. That is called lose. Okay. It is my shirt is loose. My shirt is loose. Okay. I lose. I lose my pen. Which one is this? Is fourth one. Lose and lose. Okay, let's see. There and there. There and there. Okay, there means space, there means advariables. So here there, alle, avara anta. Okay. Yes, we went there. We went there. We were. They were. They complete their work. They complete their work. Sixth one. Weak and weak. Weak and weak. He is weak. Okay. 7 days are in week. 7 days are in a week. Is it at week and week? Let's see next. Break and break. Break and break. Okay. So break. Here break means break. See here, take a commercial break. Is it? He fell down and broke his leg. He fell down and broke his leg. Broke his leg. Is it? Next. The brakes of my cars don't work. I use to stop my bike by brake. Is that we use the vehicles, the speed, how to control? Just pedal the brake. Okay, push the brake. So that like. Next, course and course. Course and course. Course means just like a arts, commerce, science, that like on course. Okay, that one rough. See, there was no other course left for him. There was no course left for him. Then School bags are made from coarse wood. Coarse cloth. So this like you have to write some other grammar activities are given. Let's see what are those. What is that? Join the following pairs of sentence by using because. So what we have to use? Because. What already given, that like you have to use the because in the sentence. He did not work hard, he failed. He failed because he did not work. He will succeed, he has worked hard. So he has worked hard because he will succeed. That like you have to write. Okay. Next, it is a long journey because you should start early. There is a strike because he is not going to work. The meeting had to be postponed because it was raining heavily. That like you have to write. Okay. Aunt Polly was angry with him because Tom had made a row over nothing. Okay. So let's see next. Now rewrite each sentence you have formed by putting because in the beginning as because. Okay, because he did not work, he failed. You have to put because. Okay. Rewrite each sentence by using not any in the place of no. Okay. Let's see how. Not any in the place of no. In the place of no. He discovered nothing. He discovered nothing. Okay. So how you write? He did not discover. He did not discover anything. Anything. Don't come anywhere near me. Don't come near. Don't come near. Don't come anywhere. Anywhere near me. Third one. They found nobody at home. They found nobody at home. They did not find anybody at home. They did not find anybody at home. Okay, let's next. They did not go anywhere. They did not go anywhere. They did not go anywhere after supper. after suffered. Okay. They had done no work for 4 days. So many, only one grammar part is there. Okay, this much. I hope you understood what we have discussed in this class. I will send a PDF file regarding the second lesson. Okay, see you in the next class.